Good morning, friends. In the previous video, we learned about the inner join by just calling the join method on the customer pairs and bills pair that we have created. So customer pairs and bills pairs, we have filled it like this, that we have got 5 customers with their name, the key as customer ID and value as the customer names. And for the bills, we've got customer ID with the associated bills. So this is what we tested for inner join. In this video, we're going to learn about left outer join. Just to save some time, I will copy this and then I will make some changes on top of it. Let me copy this first. Now I will obviously change this join to left outer join. So let me actually make some space here and put it here. Okay, so I will use a left outer join. Okay, and I will change the name of this. Okay, so this would be changed, right? So I will use this. Okay, sorry guys, bear with me. Control Alt V, and here I will create say left outer join RDD. Left outer join RDD. Okay, mark it as final. Okay, now you see that it's very much similar to the inner join where we are getting the key as integer and final value as tuple. But for the left outer join, because we are doing the complete left outer join is in terms of SQL, it will take all the values which are matching or not for a key, and it can have an optional value, right? Because the keys which are not present in the bills that may not be present for the customer, because we are taking everything from customers. We are matching for all of them. So let me actually explain it better way. That suppose we have got all the customers are there, but for all the customers, for example, for say one John, we don't have any entry in bills, right? So we don't have any entry in bills. Only for Mary and David, as we have seen in the inner join, that only for Mary and David, the values are present in the bills pair RDD. But for other one, like 1, 3, and 4, for John, Peter, and Betty, there is no entry in this bills. So when we call left outer join, it will take all the keys from customer. So it will take all of the elements, and because the value is not, the bills are not present for each of them, that's why once we call this left outer join, because the bill cannot be present for each of the customer, that's why we have marked it as optional. And this is like quite fair that this left outer join will already take care of this. By optional in Java, as we know that it can contain a value or contain an item or not contain an item. So that's why this is slightly different than the inner join, where we are guaranteed that we'll be having a double here. Okay, so now let's proceed with our test case. I will just copy this, Control C, and then here I will go Alt J and Control V, escape again. Okay, so left outer join, first of all, we will simply print out everything which is there in the left outer join. After that, we will do left outer join dot collect. Let me make some small changes here. So because we have got an optional here, so I have to check whether the value was present or not. So for that, what I will do is I will change this. Okay, let me create a lambda here again. And first of all, I will check if j dot underscore 2 dot underscore 2. I'm checking this part, this optional double. If it's present, so we have got this is present in optional, which is in Java, and if it is present, only then we print out. We will print that. Let me copy this exactly same. That percent s has dollars this. Okay. Because now here we are guaranteed that it is having a value. That the bill, there is associated a bill there. So I will use j dot underscore 2 dot underscore 1, which is the customer name, and j dot underscore 2 dot underscore 2 dot get, right? Here we are guaranteed that it is going to return. That's why the get would be always having a value here. Okay, so this is the value present. Else I'll just simply print that this particular customer has no order. So let me copy this again, and then I will make some changes. This customer has no order. Okay. And then I will remove this. Yeah, everything is looking good. So let's revise what we have done so far. In the leftOuterJoin, we have called this leftOuterJoin method here, and then we get this again the Java pair RDD with key as the customer ID, and the tuple2 as the name and the optional double. As we explained that because we are doing leftOuterJoin, it means that all the customer IDs may not be present in the bills in the second pair. So that's why the value can be optional. So once we get this, then we simply again print out whatever is present in this leftOuterJoin RDD that after this transformation, because it will create a new RDD every time because it's a transform method. So we printed out everything, and we expect that whatever customers which had no orders, which are not present in this bills pair, that would be having optional.empty, and only I think David and Mary, because only these are present having some orders and having some bills, only those would be printed with the optional value of that bill. And this is what we are going to print, that which customer has got orders, I mean which are present in bills in the first statement, and if it's not present, then we are going to print no orders. So let's run this and see. So I just started this running. Let's wait for it to run. Okay, so it has run now. So as expected, all those customers which had no orders, I mean which were not present in the bills pair RDD, they are coming as value as empty. Only David and Mary, because we already tested in our inner join test case, only David and Mary has got some orders, and which means that they have got an entry in the bills in the bills pair. So that's why only those are having optional with one item in the bill. Others are having optional empty. And similarly, we have formatted it and printed it in a better way, that all those customers which are having empty, they have no orders, and only David and Mary had the orders of corresponding bills that they had. So this was about leftOuterJoin. I think we have got other like rightOuterJoin, fullOuterJoin Cartesian, which we'll learn in the subsequent videos. So see you all in the next video.